Kitang-kita naman ko anong ginagawa niyo sa cafe. Leandro!
Eto ka na naman, Veronica. Nag-iisip na kung ano-ano. Pero di mo yun ako pinakikinggan.
Tama na! Pabalik-balik na lang tayo sa ganitong sitwasyon!
Mahal, ayusin na naman natin to.
Ayoko na! Tama na! Di ko na deserve to! Mas kabuti pang lumayas ka na! Mama pa! Tama natin! Lumayas ka na!
Anong nangyari dito? Bakit ang gulo ng bahay? Ano to? Bakit ganito, Ma? Ano nangyari habang wala kami?
Ma, what's wrong?
Wala lang ito, anak.
Anong wala lang?
Anak, kumema ka. Wala lang ito.
Ma!
Ano, ma? Wala lang? Ano kayo dito? Mga anak, ang dami na nating bayarin. Akin pwede to with the income alone. Adrian, Nathaniel, mukhang kailangan nyo nang maghanap ng trabaho.
Uy, sakto. May inalok yung kaibigan ko na online investment. Baka pwede yun, Ma.
Sige, ma. I asked my friend to help me find some work or business. Maybe they can help me.
Mabuti naman kung ganun. Matutulungan nyo na ako sa bayarin dito sa bahay. Oh, ma. I wanna help too.
Huwag na, Iris. Mag-focus ka muna sa pag-aaral mo.
Your kuya, Sir Tyrus. Mag-focus ka na lang sa pag-aaral mo. Ikaw rin, Diana.
Kaya ko naman pagsabayin yung pag-aaral at pagsa-sideline. Ako rin, ma. Mas mabuti kung mayroon rin ako makatutulong sa ating pamilya kahit kunti.
Hindi, wag na. Mag-focus na lang kayo sa pag-aaral nyo. At baka mapabayaan nyo pa yun.
Eh, ikaw, Kuya Tristan.
Ha? Naghahanap mo din ako ng sideline.
Number you have dialed is either unattended or out of coverage area. Please try your call later.
Diyos ko, sumagot ka naman. Diyos ko, bakit di mo sagutin yung tawag ko? Baka ano nangyari sa'yo? Sumagot ka naman, please.
The number you have dialed is either unattended or out of coverage area. Please try your call later.
Scam to. Lintik na scammer to.
The number that you have dialed is currently been.
Anak, are you okay?
Yes, ma. Tinawagan ko lang yung backer ng investment ko. Mukhang okay naman.
You sure?
Yes, ma. I promise.
Okay, mag-BS ka na. May lakad pa tayo.
Sige po, ma.
Uy, patayin mo. Patayin mo, patayin mo, patayin mo.
Tristan, tama na yung ML mo na yan. Mag-BS ka na. May lakad pa tayo.
Hindi na po ako sasama, ma. Busy
Anak,
ako.
please. Sumama ka na. Minsan lang to.
Ayoko po.
Sumama ka na. Magsama-sama naman tayo.
Sama-sama. Ayoko po.
Ikaw bahala. Mag-ingat ka. Mahal na mahal ka namin. You can catch up if you want.
Ay. Na, nagpilit ka. Uy, kahapon lang ito ah. Ba't may iwanan dito? Sayang, ang ganda pa naman. Baka di na nagagamitin ito. Sali ko nga sa kanila to.
Nasaan na kaya yung damit? Ah, baka nakalimutan ko lang yung sa living room kahapon.
Sus, kumay ka man.
Ba't wala dito? I'm sure dito ko yung inilagay kahapon. Kuya!
Thank you.
Is that my clothes? My favorite one?
Uy, Iris, nandito ka na pala. I didn't notice you getting it. You look curious. May problema ba?
Kuya, pinamigay mo yung damit ko?
Hindi ko yung pinamimigay. Ha? Damit mo yun? Akala ko ba wala nang gumagamit nun? Iniwan na kasi sa labas.
Anong hindi binibinta? Eh, kitang-kita ko sa dalawang mata ko na binigay mo sa kanya at binigyan ka ng pera? Binigyan mo ba yun? Pati damit ko?
Iris, I'm sorry. I didn't thought you still using it. Iris, I'm really sorry. Hindi ko talaga sinadya yun. Alam mo naman na nangangailangan talaga tayo ng pera. I bumped the box outside and thought no one is using it. So I thought of selling it so it will earn me some money.
Dad, we're here! Storya, storya! Sige, church. Church. Oh. Excuse me. Yes, ma'am? What's your order? We have many options here. Okay, I'll be back with your order. If someone is ready,
Yes,
tell us
yes,
now.
yes. One, two.
Gusto mo na ako diba safe ko wala yung aking gusto mo sasabihin sa inyo diba safe ko wala yung aking modelo my mother I've died sa akin kaya sinubukan ko sinubukan namin tutulungan ang pagkanap kaya sinubukan ko kung resilient kahit hindi mo lang para may
Sige, mag-story pa mo. Story pa mo. Panagtabang. Are you ready to take your love life to the next level? At Iris Love Advice, I'm here to guide you through the twists and turns of your life. For only 50 pesos, I've got the advice and any support that you needed. Anytime and always here. Hello po. Sino pong gusto magpa-advise? Ah, ikaw ba yun, Iha? Wow, ang swerte mo naman. Meron kang supportive na ama. Pero kailan niya ba talagang sasama sa'yo kahit mapa-advise?
Hindi ko siya ama. Siya ang boyfriend ko. Ano ka ba naman? Magja-judge agad ng tao. Alis na nga kami. Walang kwentang business to.
Seems I judged too quickly. Now I lost a customer.
Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko pa yung LDR. What if meron siyang kasabay or seatmate na babae?
In this type of situation, kailangan mo po ma-build the trust sa partner mo po. You could ask your partner to practice telling each other's experiences or expressing your feelings through regular chats or video calls. And if your partner won't, pero kung ayaw niya, bad sign yan.
I guess I could do that. Thank you.
Kay, nagilak. Kay.
In a world full of longing, I am here to give you an honest advice to your desire. What is your desire?
Ay wow, meron pang speech. So, ikaw ba talaga makakabigay ng advice ng gusto ko?
Of course, but only for love. That requires you 50 pesos.
Merong isang babae na sobrang sipag. Kahit anong gawin niya, makamit niya. I admire her confidence, strength, and energy. I like to get to know her better, but where should I start?
Huh, seems you like her a lot.
Sobra. Talagang sobra.
Okay, well, my advice is to get into her stuff she enjoys. For example, like her hobbies.
Okay. Thank you, miss. It's very helpful. May tanong lang sana ako.
Ano yun? I'm always ready to help.
What made you start this business? Is this what you enjoy or is this part of your hobby?
Well, I made this business for personal reason pero masaya naman ako.
Noted. I'll be going now, miss.
Next! Ikaw na naman. Parang hindi pa enough kapo na.
Okay na yan, Gapon. Gusto ko lang yung na-skip na.
Ay, wow! Dito pala.
Thank you, miss. Curious lang, miss. Mahilig ka ba magbasa? Noted. Punta na ako, miss.
Araw-araw ka nang pupunta dito. Parang wala talaga yung advice ko.
Ito lang yung way to know her. It's you, Iris. Palagi akong bumabalik dito upang mas makilala ka ng lupusan. I keep coming back to spend time with you because this is the only place where I can talk to you and be with you.
So, all this time, it was me you were talking about.
Yes, Iris. I've been coming back here every day, not just for advice, but to know more about you and be with you. You feel the same way.
Yes, I feel the same way. I've always looked forward to your visit.
I'm glad to hear that, Iris. I promise to always be there for you, no matter what. What's wrong? Iris, I understand you and your family's concern. Your studies are important. I want you to succeed. Pero gusto ko lang malaman mo na nandito ako palagi susuporta sa iyo. And I understand you are not ready to tell them yet.
Thank you, Ethan. It means a lot for me.
I'm always prisoner. You won't lose me, Iris. No matter. We'll face this together.
When my parents divorced, it felt like my whole world fell apart. I didn't know how to handle the pain, the confusion, and the anger inside me. I felt lost in home. That doesn't feel like home anymore. And school. Well, it didn't matter to me anymore. So I found a different comfort to all of this. My friends. They were there when I needed to escape this pain.
Yo, andyan ka na pala. Kala ko ba hindi ka susupot ngayon?
Ayaw mo, student. Ayaw ko rin.
Bakit naman nandito? Tara, class bro. What's the point of staying in school? Pwede naman tayo mag-play sa labas. Alright. Life's been around here, hindi ba? Walang puro na nakikita. Walang magulang na nagkukulit.
Walang magpapaalala sa kalagayan.
Tama. Kaya naman kailangan sumama sa gala namin ngayon. Parang pamilya tayo dito. Walang drama, walang rule. Tayo lang.
Okay, okay.
When my parents divorced, it hurt me. I cried when no one was looking. But I knew I had to be strong. My brothers needed me, even if they didn't say it. I wanted to help, but how? I wasn't old enough to work, but I knew that if I studied hard, maybe one day I could give us a better life.
Kuya, you're home late again.
Yeah, kagagaling ko lang ipagkita sa kaibigan ko.
But I'm worried about you, you know?
Shouldn't worry about me. I'm fine.
I've been thinking, maybe I can get a part-time job. I can help with the bills and the
No.
food.
Absolutely not.
But, gusto kong tumulong, kuya. I see how hard things are for you and for our family.
Shouldn't worry about that. Shouldn't worry about money.
But, I do. Every day. Nakikita ko yung nahihirapan and it hurts me.
I know. But the best thing you can do for our family is to focus on your studies.
But,
Please, Bunso. Get good grades so you can get a better job. And that's how you will gonna help our family, not by working, but securing your future.
okay, I'll try my best. But promise me, you'll take care of yourself too.
I promise.
Tristan! Ano to pinagsasabi na advice mo na gusto mo magkapagkita kay mama? Dahil ba sa pagkakating classes mo?
Di baka di ako yung tinutukoy ni ma'am. Baka yung mga klase ko yun.
Don't try to lie, Tristan. Sabi ko na nga ba,
Na-influensyahan ka na ng mga kaibigan mo. Na-addict ka na sa email yan. Akala ko ba naman ayos ka rin? Pero no! You keep disappointing us. Look at your siblings. They're always focused on academics. And ikaw? Saan ka ba talaga nagmana? Even a simple household chores, di mo pa magawa. Kahit pagwawalis, pagsaing, wala. You could act the same as in the house, pero anong ginawa mo? Puro ka barkada!
Ano nangyari dito? Tristan, why did your teacher and your father called me na nagkakating classes ka raw? May problema ka ba, anak?
Bakit palagi niyo akong kinukumpara dito? Pagod na pagod ako kakaaral ito. Kagaling ko ng eskwelahan. Ganito yung bungad yun sa akin. Good thing I meet them. They made me realize na kailangan kong enjoyin yung buhay ko. Huwag niyo akong diktahan kung anong gagawin ko sa buhay ko. Buhay ko to, design nyo.
Wala ka ng respect! Anak, anong nangyari? Halika, pasok tayo dito sa bahay. Anak, ba't ka umiiyak? Anak, ano galit ka sa akin? Baka please tell me kung anong problema mo para matulungan kita.
Bakit palagi niyo ako? Nape-pressure na ako. Masama wag lang yung barkada. Pwede naman pagsabayin yung pumubarkada at pag-aaral, di ba?
You also have a point, anak, pero nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo? Nasasobrahan ka na sa pabarkada mo. Na-influensyahan ka na ng mga yan na mag-cutting classes. Pabayaan mo na yung sarili mo.
Nasusobrahan na ba talaga ako? Kahit ganun, I still do my responsibilities as a student and as a son. Pero, lagi na lang akong nauunahan ng sumbat. Ayoko pa bumalik pa. Can I stay here for a while?
Sige anak, walang problema. Pero we need to say sorry to them eventually and change your behavior. Veronica, I know it's been a while, pero kailangan natin mag-usap tungkol ito kay Tristan.
Yes, I agree. Kailangan na nating disiplinan yung anak natin. Kailangan natin siyang samahan kausapin yung principal. Masyado na tayo nakatutok sa ating sariling problema. We need to prioritize our children first.
Tama. Kailangan tayo ni Tristan. Magkita lang tayo sa Lunes. Pero I have a request. Can we have some family dinner after? Para na rin magkabati ang mga anak natin.
Parang ang tagal na rin natin naranasan mag-family dinner na kompleto tayong lahat. Sige, this is for our children. Siguro iwan muna natin yung problema. Dito na lang tayo sa bahay mag-dinner.
Sige, see you. Pakisabi na lang yan sa mga anak natin.
Can I talk to you?
Of course, anak. Ano yun?
May sasabihin lang ako about sa investment namin.
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
It was a scam na. Na-scam ako. And I lost a lot of money. I was trying to help. I want to earn money quickly, but I failed. I'm so sorry na.
Okay lang yun. Sama-sama natin harapin ito. It's not your fault. Tutulungan ka namin mag-file ng case about that scammer.
Salamat sa pagtitindi sa akin. I promise, mas pagtihan ko pa maghanap ng trabaho para sa ating pamilya.
Iris! Ikaw ba yan?
Hala, si Kuya.
Sino yung kasama mo?
Kuya, sige.
Boyfriend? How long have you been together? Pinagbabawalan ka pa ni mama, di ba? Kasi dapat mag-aral ka muna. Sorry po, pero matagal na. Don't worry, hindi ko naman kaya na pabayaan na hindi ka naman pangkando.
Yes, kuya. In fact, he supports me in my academics. Ang galing na kuya sa bayan ng Salamat,
Joke lang,
It's better if you took focus on your child's behavior than your own conflict.
Wala, ma. Sorry again. Thank you.
We need to talk this out with this time.
But just meet the principal.
Pakilid pa! Sige pa, pakilid pa!
Alam, tawagin mo muna nga yung mga kuya mo.
Kuya, tinatawag na kayo ni Mama. Kain na muna kayo.
Ano pong meron dito?
I'm glad we're all here tonight. It's been a while since we sat down as a family.
Yeah. Everything after that, what happened.
We just need to talk. Alam namin ang dami nangyari. And we need to face it together.
Face it? You mean ignore it like we always do?
Oo nga, lagi namang kaya natin to. Pero hindi talaga natin to pinag-uusapan.
You don't understand. No one cared about what they felt.
I cared. We all cared. Tama si Bunso. We tried, pero ikaw yung lumayo.
Pero bakit? Bakit ganito yung nafe-feel ko? Hindi ko nafe-feel yung comfort nyo.
Hindi yan totoo, anak. We're sorry if yun yung nararamdaman mo.
We made mistakes. A lot of them. But we love you. All of you.
Nagalit ako. Nagalit ako sa inyo. Pati sa sarili ko. Kasi akala ko, pag lumayo ako, mawawala. Pero hindi. Nagkamali ako. Mas naligaw yung landas ko.
We just want you to come back, Kuya.
It's just her.
Lahat naman tayo nasaktan. Hindi lang ikaw, tol. Pero ganito pa rin kami. Pamilya pa rin tayo.
We'll be okay. Together.
Kaya, ano naman dun sa...